It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish. No Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like, where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time in your golden. We were just two lovers, feet up on the dash, driving nowhere fast, burning through the summer. Radio on blast, make the moment last. She got solar power, minutes feel like hours. She knew she was the baddest. Can you even imagine falling like I did? For the love of my life, she's got glow on her face, a glorious look in her eyes. My angel of light. I was all alone with the love of my life. She's got glitter for skin, my radiant beam in the night. I don't need no light to see you shine. It's your golden hour. You slow down time in your
sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you cry.
Sometimes I wish that I could just quit, but then the other times there's nobody better than this. Even though you never listen and you're always right, and I guess I would've never fit your type, except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. So give me a kiss. Sometimes you say that I'm just too much, but then the other times feels like I give you the word and I won't give up. Oh, I never listen and I take too long, and I guess I would've never fit your song, except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. So give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that our roads led to this. So give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss.
She wears high heels, I wear
everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is great. No, really, I haven't thought about my ex today. Oh wait, fuck, I just did. But I went outside for the first time in a few days, and it felt nice, and I might try doing exercise. I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say everything sucks. Just kidding, everything is better than it used to be. I didn't write a song about my ex today. Oh wait, but I called my friends and I told them we should hang out if it makes sense, 'cause I miss them and I hate being alone. I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say I wanna forget my bad days, all my bad days, and be okay, Spend my spare change down at the arcade, and then I'll say everything sucks.
Hope you do.